Hello, Traders D7 here with freetrainvideos.com, and the market is just about to close. And here we are. Before I pull up the broad markets, I'm looking at the S&P daily. The market has not closed yet. Let's bring over the 5-minute chart. Here's the 5-minute chart. You can see this still moving. We have a big trend line that comes down at 923.6. And today we had a major rally in the markets. Okay, the market just ended. We closed here at 922.83, and this could change ever so slightly here. But we did close below 923.6. Now, why is that so relevant? Why am I putting so much attention on this? If you guys have not been paying attention to these videos, let this be a very big wake-up call for everybody. Matter of fact, there was a good advice there in the chat room just moments ago that says, hey, let's do this real time. Show it happening in real time. I said, that sounds like a great idea. I wish I actually did this 2 or 3 minutes earlier. But we have a trend line. This goes back May of 08. You can see that right down here. May of 08. We tagged it again at June 08. Then we tag it again August, almost September 08. And let's follow this big dude down. Some people call this a fat line or a beefy line. I call it a big boned line. But here's our line. We tag it again June 09. And right here we tag it again at the end of June, and today is July 1st. Now let's blow this dude up and take a look at it. We were way up here breaking out. And during the day, I said it would not surprise me in the slightest in the chat room. And we have all this time stamped. We have all of this time stamped. Let me get rid of my crosshairs. They said when we were up here, it was a beautiful, huge day. And I said it would not surprise me in the least if we don't come crashing back down, closing below 923.6. Now, how did I come up with that number? I'll show you. Put my crosshairs back on here. That trend line would be right here at 923.62. You can see that over to the right. And to get right below it would put us at about 922.8. And that's right here on the bottom side of that beefy trend line. And we 922.82. I mean, look at, you just can't get any closer than that. So we have here what's called a shooting star formation, where it goes up, it's glorious for a moment, and it fizzles away quickly, just like a shooting star does. And it comes right back down, this proving yet again this line acting as major resistance. At this moment, we do have a high base type formation or a little miniature bullish pennant here on the broad markets. Now, we have the 20-day moving average now acting as resistance. We are now below this 20-day moving average coming right there. It is acting as resistance, not support. The bulls had their shot but could not do it. I'm telling you, watch this. The bulls, when they don't have, they shoots up, and they can't hold it, a lot of times you'll get a sell-off after that. That's kind of what we have going here. We have a shooting star. Tomorrow I expect to see a down day. I do not expect it to go higher than this trend line, but it can. If it goes higher than this trend line will quit acting as resistance and will start acting as support. That would be a bullish sign if we close higher than that. But at this very moment, we have a better chance of going down. What I am looking for, here's what I'm focused on. Don't make any action plays yet. I need a close below today's low. Today's low is 920. I'd want to see a close below 920 somewhere. 920. If we can get a close, especially if we can get a close below 918, we could really get a drop. It could be a dandy one. It could be a big one. So that's something that I'm watching for. And remember, tomorrow morning, pre-market, big jobs number come out, so that could really shake this market up. So there's where you should start to get your movement. we could still bounce between these two lines here for a while. But when we break out or break down, it should be a nice run. It could be choppy run. You could have up days and down days, but expect a movement. Let's zoom back out so you can really see what I'm referring to here. We went up, 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 up. Now we're getting pinched in this triangle. Expect movement, one direction or the other, up or down. So that should take place. So let's watch this very closely. And let's go also show you this. We're up just a little bit in the markets. The Russell's up almost a full 2%. Not bad to see. The VIX did drop, but ever so slightly. Not enough to even write about. We're at 26.25-ish. And I understand as of yesterday, Matador let you guys in on a little secret. Yes, we do have a very exciting thing coming out. And yeah. So more on that later on. Till next time, we'll catch you here at freetrainvideos.com.